Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the sum function in Google Sheets. If you ever found yourself needing to add together many terms in Google Sheets, this function is going to be your go-to solution. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of using the sum function effectively within Google Sheets. To get started, let's begin by looking at the syntax of this function. Firstly, the purpose of this function is to add values together as the name suggests. It calculates the sum of a series of numbers. To use this function, all we need to give this function for arguments are the numbers that we want to add together, separated by commas. These arguments can be individual numbers, like 3, 6, 12. They can be cell references, such as A1 and B5, or ranges, such as B1 to B5, or a mix of all three. And that's it. So let's go through some examples on how to use this function now that we have an idea of what it looks like. As an example, let's say that you're a server and you want to add together all your tips from the week, which, as you can see, are presented in these cells here. To quickly add all these cells together, let's call our sum function by typing equals sum. Hitting tab will autofill our function, or you can manually add the left parentheses, and using our mouse, let's click and drag to highlight our desired cells, and then press enter. Google Sheets will instantly calculate the sum of all these values. Another really cool thing that we can do with the sum function is combine ranges of numbers. So let's add another set of data for our second week of collecting tips. Another shortcut to selecting cells here is to call our sum function and use our up arrow key, and you can see that it selects a cell above our function. Holding shift and then clicking the up arrow a few more times, we can select our range easily. Now, in another cell here, let's sum together all of our terms. To do this, we can first call our function and click highlight all of our first terms. Then, comma, and we'll repeat this for our second set of cells. And then hit enter, and we will be returned the sum. You should now have a solid understanding of how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. This is a great tool to have in your Google Sheets toolbox that can save you time and help you work more efficiently with numbers. I hope that this video helped you learn something about the sum function within Google Sheets. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.